The lion roars with a mighty sound. The tiger prowls all around the ground. The elephant swings his big long trunk. The giraffe eats leaves from trees so high. The zebra runs with stripes so neat. The monkey swings from tree to tree. The gorilla beats his chest so loud. The panda munches bamboo all day. The kangaroo hops with a baby in tow. 10 hippopotamus, the hippo splashes in the water all day. The rhino stomps with his big strong feet. 12 flamingos stands on one pink leg. The penguin waddles in the snow so cold. 14 crocodile swims with a snap and a snap. The snake slithers silently through the grass. The bear loves honey from the bees. The peacock spreads his colorful tail. The tortoise walks slowly with his hard shell.